Here is the Sister Bay Beach. So directly in front of Al Johnson's Swedish restaurant, that's with the green grass. The beach extends from this pier over to those rocks there in front of the condos, and then there's changing houses right there and a beach band shell. And you even have this nice pier which separates the beach area from the marina. So the marina is over there, and if you watch my video tour of the marina, we walked that. The boats enter through these buoys here, and then this cement pier protects the beach area. In fact, the other night when the waves were coming in, they were crashing over this pier, and some kids were out here enjoying the water splashing across the surface, but it keeps the beach area protected. And then they have this nice swimming platform out here. There you can see the two changing houses next to the band pavilion. There's also restrooms over there. You can rent kayaks and stand-up paddleboards. And then the buoys, that separates that silent sport launch area from the swimming area. And over there you can see those condos have their own little marina, and a sailboat is heading out for an early afternoon cruise. We had a big storm go through last night. Big thunderstorm, a lot of rain. Some damage down the coast at Peninsula State Park, but thankfully here in Sister Bay, relatively unscathed. I don't see much damage. So continuing our tour of the beach, this is the pier again, and this is the Tuesday after Labor Day, so early September, relatively quiet, but this beach was very popular on Labor Day because Sister Bay has Marina Fest, their Labor Day festival, and they had live music and food trucks there in the park, quite popular with a lot of tourists and locals. So the beach, you can see, is a mix of fine pebble and sand. I actually don't mind the pebbles because it sticks less to your feet. So you see the sand. I think this is from last night, the storm, a little debris washed in. But the other thing I love is they have these rinsing stations, shower and for your feet. 2 of them along the beach, which is just amazing for a free public beach, and it's very well maintained. This is a big hole. I saw a guy digging with a actual garden shovel the other day, and the lake is slowly reclaiming it. So here's the changing booths right next to the concert band shell. And this is probably what you'd call the main area of the beach. There's some restrooms, porta potties over there. They set up for the festival. I'll give you a little view of the band shell. It has quite good acoustics. I was impressed. And then there is parking right over there, public parking lot, and a lot down there for the silent sports. You can see some leaves down from the storm. This grass is amazing. They keep it so nice and green. It's really impressive for a public beach area. And I just saw them put this up today, or perhaps it had blown down, but this is the lineup of concerts and movies in the park going through September 5th. That's the back of the Wild Tomato pizza place. There's a children's playground, and this is the view of the beach. Picnic tables as well, and we'll just continue the tour down to where it ends here. Everything is kept so neat and clean. It's really a testament to the village and their staff. So you'll see the fine rock. It's a mix of that rock and then a finer sand. But again, the pebbles reminds me a little bit of a European beach. Not that rocky, the big rocks, but it keeps you can get out of the sand, and then the pebbles don't stick to your feet as much. So here's the other foot washing station, and then we come to see, you can tell it rained tonight. This is some runoff here that wasn't here just a day ago. This is where they rent the watercraft, Sister Bay Beach Rentals, the kayaks and stand-up paddle boards. And it looks like even a small dinghy, or that might be just for beach staff, but they've got some bikes, those floating bike things as well. So that's our tour of the Sister Bay Beach area, ending right here with the Silent Sports launch area. So that's what this is along here, where you're supposed to be able to launch your silent sport craft and get out alongside the beach. And I'll just actually take you up to the parking to end our tour. You can see a few more leaves down from the storm. But this is where I really like, they have this silent sport launch area, or quiet craft, they call it, non-motorized. And there's 15-minute parking to load and unload. 3 spots here, which is a great idea. And then the regular parking spots down here, because this gets very popular, so finding a spot can be a challenge. But today you can see lots of spots. This was closed off for a food truck for the festival. But today a lot of availability, head-in parking, no overnight, no dogs allowed, so just be aware of that here in the park. They are allowed north in the marina area, you can walk them. And then these are the parking spots, and over here, that lot is overflow parking. You can see the water. We got a significant amount of rain last night. And then right out there leads to Highway 42. So that concludes our tour of the Sister Bay Beach. Enjoy your next trip to Sister Bay.